Hey yo, it's another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. I just finished one video showing off these little trinkets I picked up today. While I was in the mood for cleaning, I dug out this OldTimer 125 OT that I picked up over there at the little knife store in Sanford, Florida. This is the one that has been filed off at the factory. You can just barely make out the very bottom of the 1, the 2, the 5, and the O, and a little dot that would have been the T. This knife is brand new. I mean, factory edge. It has this discoloration on the blade. The inside of it's perfect. The only reason I could think that this would be a factory second is this pin right here. Oh, I'm going to stand up and see if I can bring that up to the camera a little bit. See, this pin is raised. That one's raised, but this is almost flush. And this one is actually kind of recessed a little bit. And I don't know if this gap is supposed to be here in this little liner lock or not. But you can see what I'm talking about. You can just barely see the tang stamp on there. But this knife cleaned up absolutely perfectly. I don't have any reservations of toting this knife. I didn't even sharpen it. And it is, that is, the knife, I don't think it's super old. I can just tell by the look and the feel that it is a U.S. made knife. It's not one of the new knockoff. Wipe my fingerprints off this. Let me just look at that. There's not a thing wrong with that knife. I don't have any. Maybe this sawcut jigging on there is not very good. Maybe that's why it was a second. This side's pretty good. You know, I don't have any problem with that. There's that pin right there. And the jigging on the side there. Other than that, I mean, this knife is flawless, super sharp. It's going to be a carrier and a user, and I got to be careful. It is a little stiff, but maybe if I oil it, yeah, I think I can oil that up and loosen up a little bit. But man, what a knife! And I think when I got these, it was like $3-4 each. There was this one and a couple Barlows and a couple little Schrade pruning knives. I think they were all factory seconds. Is why they were in this box. But she's a beauty. I'm not going to have any issues carrying this knife. I am going to put a lanyard on there and maybe find a little sheath or make a little side draw sheath for it. But there you go. The factory second 125 OT. That I can't really find anything functional wrong with it. other than maybe the cosmetics on this side. So until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.